with an average of 54.98%. To be awarded by our level coordinator and her advisor. You ready? Our and Mr. Jerome M. Alvarado, our Perlas named Dukit 2026 is none other than Perlas Team Cebu City!
Pero matas yung mukha ko yung pambayad.
And our fourth winner with an average of 56.53%. Our Perlas Ning Sinupuan. Our Perlas Ning Sinupuan to be awarded by grade level coordinator and class advisor together with Honorable Elias Barameda. Our Perlas Ning Sinupuan with an average of 56.53%. It's not other than
Anytime naman sir, basta
Baguio
natin nakapengon.
City!
Kaya ako sir, first 1 month po 8 kilos ako.
Kapag kain, consult.
Bangkay sir, mayan kay katawan. Maka-help ya kaya ka. Para kagsuklayan.
Kapag katawan ni
Bilang ko yung high blood, cholesterol, fatty liver ko.
sabi, may taba kasi
Oh,
yan.
tutuin na sir. Hindi nga liwab.
Hindi naman
Aling problema piko sir, bubuktok na bigla.
Itang palpitate na rin naman.
Wala naman sir, pagpuyat ko. Pumapagkap eh.
And now, for our third runner-up, with an average of 72.64%,
Bilang next year siya.
our Perlas Lake Mindanao,
Kaya pang bagot naman.
to be awarded by
Alam ba na sir?
Honorable Sir Haida
Trending yan yan.
Ako, together with class advisor
Kasi tingabi ko sa Fernan,
coordinator,
hingikita ako may
our
kaya kami.
Perlas Lake Mindanao 2026 is
Kaya maging check one.
Perlas
Sabi mo,
Lake
kakayan naman.
Masanting ako sir.
Laguna!
Ate sir, den burita ang matsula po. Teka to. Dahil po yan
For our second
Malaya
runner,
ang special
with an
award.
average of 76.74%, Perlas Lake Visayas.
Hindi ako malamigas.
Our Perlas Lake Visayas is none other than to be awarded by Mr. Jeremiah E. Cabusal and grade level coordinator, advisor, our Perlas Lake Visayas is none other than Pampanga!
Nasa rin ko yan.
Vaccine ako.
Oh.
Sa mga natitirang candidates na hindi po nagtawag, please go forward. At pagtawag po kayo ng kamay para sa kinabukasan. Our breadwinner will receive a crown, a sash, and yung bolong kristal para malaman nyo ang inyong future. Ang matatawag ko ay ang ating first runner-up. Ang matatawag ko ay ang ating first runner-up, and automatically ang hindi ko matatawag ay ang grand winner.
Hindi ka pang gawan ganyan, sir. Hindi ka pang gawan ganyan.
Opo.
Our first runner-up with an
Sana
average
yan ka magiging
of
sarili.
81.41%.
Opo, so far.
Perla
Sana pa natin.
Baka.
Sana pa natin.
Wag. Sinanyarin kasi ma'am eh. Pag February medyo low yun.
To be awarded by Sir Jerome B. Alvarado
Aroy. Picture ako.
and
Kawaii ka
Manuel
pala.
T. Santos. And Sir Jerome Alvarado. Our first runner-up. Perlas Titizon is you. Perlas Vincent Flores. The highest score. And of course, our grand winner, our Perlas de Columbus 2026, to be awarded by the Magdalena Perla D. Santos, Ms. Maricon Evansil, Sir Jerome B. Alvarado, and Sir Dennis Christian Bata. Of course, our Perlas de Columbus 2026 is none other than Perlas de Quezon Province. Alam niyo na, nasa kanya ang bolang kristal. May we call on Mary Grace P. Flores. For closing the town. Congratulations, Queen. May your reign be inspiring, responsible,